Welcome to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, the pursuit of a healthier lifestyle is a common goal for many individuals. Weight Loss 7 Tips, in particular, stands as a significant aspect of this journey. Tip Zone: Healthy Eating Habits. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Control portion sizes to avoid overeating. Practice mindful eating, savoring each bite and paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. Tips 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger. Tips 3. Balanced meals. Aim for balanced meals that include a combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This can help keep you full and satisfied. Tips 4. Regular physical activity. Engage in a mix of cardiovascular exercises, e.g. walking, jogging, swimming, and strength training to boost metabolism and burn calories. Find activities you enjoy to make exercise a sustainable habit. Tips 5. Set realistic goals. Set achievable weight loss goals to stay motivated and avoid frustration. Tip 6. Mindful eating. Eat slowly and without distractions to fully enjoy your meals and recognize when you're full. Tip 7. Limit sugary and processed foods. Cut back on sugary drinks, snacks, and processed foods that are high in calories and low in nutrients. If you are looking for a natural weight loss solution, click link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel